Team Tessanne, team out of many one people, team good body Jamaican singer, team bad mind Tessanne Chin husband Michael Cuff. Alright, Tessanne Chin start off the first verse and she not even waste no time at all. She start to use up fear Mariah Carey hand them. You see it all up in the place.
Rolling dice for staying out still free. You won't ever find them being unfaithful. You will find them.
So she lick one note. I'm only pre on her face like she just skin up her face like me no know. I don't know if I done a poop on the stage, but something hard went on make Tessanne Chin a skin up for her face. So
To me,
Tessanne, I admire you, so you never make it distract you, because the show is called The Voice and not The Smell. Say at one point in the song, Tessanne put on some piece of skank there. Where she learned the moves there, I do not know. My girl, I don't know if because you got so lost in the song that you totally forgot that this was The Voice and not so you think you can dance. Right about now, Dana verse come up. Box cover! Tessanne jump in a Beyonce mode. No Dana, you know more than me. Me I got done you with my stage presence. Cha, 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 cha. All of a sudden the next thing me see is that Tessanne Chin rush out with our secret hideaway choreography.
when the end is coming, the building's falling down fast.
You know, right about now, me think everybody in Jamaica knows that Tessanne Chin love for her husband. She her love she some Michael Cuff. I don't know if the fact say she there for dead and I hear this 54-year-old woman named Dana attack say her man the next to her. I don't know, but Tessanne got hungry. Tessanne got cross. Tessanne got miserable. And Tessanne just take it to them in the chorus. The ghetto girl in a Tessanne came out. Tessanne did have to make 54-year-old Dana know so when nighttime come, Michael Cuff are not with her. Michael Cuff is with she.
When everyone is lost, their heads around us, you will find them next to me.
No, the party I forget pull up. Me I have to go back to the vocal acrobatic boom flick elevator piece of thing that Tessanne do with her voice, cause I don't know how she does it, but she do it. You know, after she do it, I say, oh, this must get easy, I must can't try it. Someone got attempt it. You know how it end up sound? I only Beyonce me this try the thing then it actually work. You know, so Tessanne Chin 100% Asian, you know, because when she are get down into the belly of a note, all you see a eyelash, not no yaya at all.
Next to me, you will find it next to me. You will find it next to me.
So Miss Dana come in, all I hear was, you know, like when Zinka scrape on gravel, but she was intense, she did good. In the end, Adam picked Tessanne Chin, because, you know, if he never did do it, I would have fling with every single Maroon 5 album that I own.
So that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry show. Make sure that you like, you comment, and you share, and you subscribe as well.
Tessanne Chin be like, honestly, I'm just, oh my god, I'm just so humbled by your words, you're just too kind. Not really a good singer, but I'm gonna try, just, you know, okay.
And